In this video, I'd like to show you how to convert date format into text. Now, I had a question the other day from somebody on a course that needed to join two dates together. So for example, on this one, 13th of Feb 2015 and the 22nd of August, what they wanted was it to say the 13th of Feb 2015 to the 22nd of August 2015, because they wanted to be able to copy and paste that format into a different program. So this is the best way of doing it. Start off by typing equals text, open bracket, and now the text function needs a value. So the value is this first date here in A2. Then you have to tell it what format that you want. So you put a comma, and then you must remember to put this in speech marks. So the format is going to be how you want the date to look. So I'll put DD so that it shows the 13. Then if I put a space, and then for February I'll use MM. So if I just put MM, I would get 02 for the second month. If I put 3 M's, you get Feb, and if I put 4 M's, you get February, the full word. And then another space, and for the year, again, if I put 2 Y's, I get 15, but if I put 4 Y's, I get 2015. And then remember to close the speech mark and then close the bracket. Now this particular person wanted this to say the first date, then with the word to in between. So we're going to concatenate, so I'll use the ampersand, that's the and sign, and then we'll have a speech mark. Now we want a space before the word to, so you put a space now, then the word to, and then another space, and then close the speech marks. So far we've got the first date and the word to, and now we want to put the second date. So again we need the ampersand to concatenate, and we put text again, open bracket, and the value this time is that second date there in B2, comma, and again we want the format. So in speech marks I'll put DD space 4 M's, so we've got the full month, and then 4 Y's, so we've got the full year. Close the speech marks and then close the text function with a close bracket. And now if you press enter, there you have it, the 13th of February 2015 to the 22nd of August 2015. And if I want to copy that down, there we go. Now if I need to copy this to another program, then all we do is copy the one that we want by Control C for copy, and then you can go and copy it to another program. So let's open up Word here and Control V, and there you have it, the 13th of Feb 2015 to the 22nd of August 2015. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.